I'm John, your teacher. This is TOEFL Vocabulary Practice, Part 6. Exercise 1. The transition from high school to university can be quite abrupt for many students. Without much preparation, they are required to manage their own schedules, balance workloads across multiple subjects, and navigate a new social landscape. This transition can be a pivotal period in a student's life. The word abrupt is most similar in meaning to gradual, slow, sudden, delayed. That's right, it's C, sudden. Exercise 2. From the perspective of an effective educator, the role of a teacher isn't just information delivery, but also to inspire students to be intrepid explorers of knowledge. This approach can help students develop a love for learning that lasts a lifetime. The word intrepid is most similar in meaning to timid, fearful, fearless, scared. That's right, it's C, fearless. Exercise 3. The vast universe has always fascinated astronomers. The endless number of stars, galaxies, and potential planets out there leaves much to be explored. The quest to understand more about our universe is one that will likely continue indefinitely. The word endless is most similar in meaning to infinite, finite, limited, bounded. That's right, it's A, infinite. Exercise 4. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to adapt to new situations is crucial. Those who can acclimate quickly to new environments, work methodologies, or technologies often excel in their professional lives. This adaptability can also make one more resilient in the face of adversity. The word acclimate is most similar in meaning to adjust, reject, resist, neglect. That's right, it's A, adjust. Exercise 5. To earn trust from stakeholders in today's corporate landscape, companies must practice transparency in all operations. Companies that are open about their operations, financial health, and challenges are often more trusted by investors and customers. This can also foster a stronger internal company culture. The word transparency is most similar in meaning to opaqueness, secrecy, concealment, openness. That's right, it's D, openness. Exercise 6. Despite its small size, the hummingbird plays a vital role in many ecosystems. Its ability to hover in one place makes it a key pollinator for a variety of plants. This unique ability has evolved over millions of years and sets the hummingbird apart from most other bird species. The word hover is most similar in meaning to sink, float, dive, plummet. That's right, it's B, float. Exercise 7. For a business to thrive, it must continually innovate and improve its products or services. Companies that become complacent often find themselves losing ground to their competitors. A mindset of constant improvement can help businesses stay competitive in the long term. The word complacent is most similar in meaning to satisfied, dissatisfied, restless, ambitious. That's right, it's A, satisfied. Exercise 8. While public speaking can be intimidating for many, it's a vital skill in many professions. Those who are able to convey their thoughts and ideas eloquently often have a distinct advantage in the workplace. This skill can be honed with practice and preparation. The word eloquently is most similar in meaning to fluently, awkwardly, articulately, skillfully. That's right, it's C, articulately. Exercise 9. Sustainable practices are essential for the long-term health of our planet. Recycling, reducing consumption, and reusing materials can significantly mitigate the negative impacts of human activity on the environment. These small actions can make a big difference when adopted on a large scale. The word mitigate is most similar in meaning to exacerbate, aggravate, diminish, worsen. That's right, it's C, diminish. Exercise 10. Cultural assimilation is a complex process. When people migrate to a new country, they often adopt certain aspects of the local culture while retaining elements of their original culture. This process can shape the cultural landscape of both the immigrant and host communities. The word assimilation is most similar in meaning to separation, isolation, disconnection, integration. That's right, it's D, integration. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you in the next lesson.